today, quick video. I want to talk to you guys about law and civil law for a moment. I've had to learn a bit about it this year, simply because I've interacted with some systems and I don't feel like those systems treated me fairly or used, like appropriate evidence to basically govern. And so when something happens to you, like if someone hits you, like in the case of, Chris Rock and Will Smith, if someone steals something from you, if you feel like someone has treated you unfairly or you've undergone discrimination, you can file a lawsuit. And so basically this falls under civil law, right? So under civil law, like if you feel like someone is misrepresenting you online, if they're spreading lies about you, if they're like harassing you, if they're really for any reason why you feel like you are not happy with the way that you are being treated, you can file a lawsuit against anyone. And for some reason, there's this big idea that you need an expensive lawyer to do this. And that's actually just not the case. You basically can do it all yourself. I did. So if you don't have any money, it's fine. You can apply for a fee waiver. You just get the form, you print it out online, you fill it out. And you take the fee waiver down to the courthouse. And if your income, if you have a low income, they will just waive all your court fees, so you don't have to pay anything. And when you submit your paperwork with a fee waiver, the court is required to process your documents immediately, even in lieu of deciding if you qualify for the fee waiver or not. And then you basically just file a complaint, which says like, what is it that happened that was wrong, right? And who did it. And then you get a summons, right? Which is a paper that you give to someone else to let them know that they've been sued. So you have your like little stack of paperwork and you need to give that to the other person who you're suing. So you can't do it yourself, and you can do this by mail. You need to provide something called a proof of service. A proof of service is just this paper, basically, that you you print out, and you get someone. It could be your friend, your best friend, your cousin, anyone, and they just take it to the post office, right? And they pay for postage, and they fill out this proof of service that then you give to the court, and then you have a hearing date. And then the judge will determine, what the outcome is. So this is like really big among people with resources, because when you can't get someone to stop behaving in a certain way, you can just charge them money. So you can sue them. So it's also the same for for organizations. Like organizations are responsible for doing things, and if they don't do that, you can sue them. So, yeah, that's it.